Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Jenny. Jenny, thank you for being a patron again this month. I'm making her a horizontal spread which she uses for journaling. And then I'm going to use these sticker sheets right here, which are from the Chic Fall sticker book, which actually restocked recently. So hopefully it's still available when this video goes up, but it is from Live Love Posh and it's a great book. I've been using this a bunch. A few of my patrons have requested spreads from this. So yeah, it's a great fall sticker book. Has you covered for the whole season. But yeah, I have a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. That'll be down in the description. So I'm just gonna use these because these are the ones that she requested to be used. And then I also have Neutral Basics from KellofaPlan because she has some really pretty neutral stickers that pair well with those florals. And then I also brought in Kind and Wild, which I just recently got, and I feel like I can mix in some of these. I think it'll look pretty. The colors work, so I think they'll be able to go well together. All right, so I'm just getting some wax paper here, and okay, I can put this book aside because I don't need it. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started on this. So the first one I'm gonna do is actually this corner one. Let me get some tweezers. I love a good corner sticker because usually there's only like a couple of places I can put it, so I'm gonna put it down here on the bottom. Makes it easy. Okay, so I got some pretty florals on the page to start off this spread. And then, oh, let me go into the boxes and pull out some boxes I might want to use. Like, I really like this. Oh, that one's cute, but maybe I can cut it off. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this one because I like the color. I just don't like the focus on because this isn't a like planner page. It's a journaling page, so I feel like that doesn't fit the theme. I could have used this one, but I like this pink color here. Oh, these are cool. This is Hello Happy. Love Today. That one's pretty too. Oh, these are nice too. Sorry, I haven't really flipped through this book very well, so I'm kind of seeing it for the first time. Oh, these are nice. Okay, what is this? Oh, these are like little banner kind of stickers, page flag kind of stickers. Okay, let me go in this book and see what I can pull from here. So I need some like neutral bigger boxes. I think this one's pretty. Hopefully I have some big ones. I do, perfect. Okay, so we're going with like a very neutral theme, as you can see. We'll let the florals be the focal point. All right, so I'm gonna cut this focus on off. And you could totally use this as another sticker if you wanted to keep that. And I think I wanna do a layering like this. Okay, I think that's good. I'm just gonna stick this here. Okay, I already can tell it's crooked. Let me do this a second. Okay, that's better. All right, that works there. This is Dare to Begin. Oop, no. Just want to see. Okay, I might need to add some flowers first. Oops, just dropped my book. Okay, let me get some flowers. I like these because they're like, you can put them like they're coming off the page with it, which I think is cool. Maybe I can do a couple coming off of this box. Oops. Okay, I'll do this one. Hello Happy. Okay, that looks pretty. I like that. Cool. And then I'm gonna grab some more boxes in here. I kind of want to pull in this color too because it plays off of these florals a little bit, which I really like. It's a nice like rust kind of red color, which is really pretty. Okay, let's get some of these. Coming off the page. And just for like some contrast. It kind of like acts like washi, which I like. So that will go there. Let's see, probably should do another floral. I like this one, this like top piece one. Oh, this is a corner piece too. Okay, I'm just gonna do it over here because it's meant for the corner. Oops. Like that. And then I have like little dots that I'm going to use. Bullet points. Can use a couple of these. I feel like this spread's going to come together pretty quick. Okay, kind of have like a little rhythm, so I like that. All right, that looks pretty. And then let's see, we can do a smaller box. Maybe I can use Heather's words too. What's the color? Heather has like a really good range of colors. I really like her box sticker books because there's all these variety in here, which is really cool. She has a really pretty neutral colors in this one. I'm gonna put this box here because I felt like it looked a little lonely right there. And then I can do a little tiny flower. So we'll just stick it in the corner over here. Okay, that looks pretty. I like that. All right. So moving on to the other side of the page. Let's see. So I think I'm gonna do like a big, maybe this one. I can do this one here and then do some layering around it. So I'm gonna grab a box. Got this one here. It says love today. I want to get this like rusty color, rusty red color. Oh, you know what? But I don't have like small boxes in that color now that I remember. So I will have to do this. Actually, let me do that a little bit lower. Okay. And let's get another floral. Do this red one. And I have too many of these like boxes, but maybe I can do it down here. get some of that pattern over here. And then I can do some of the florals kind of coming out. This little one. Okay, that looks pretty. And then I have this other one. I want to use all of these that I have. I have one more. I actually have this paper one. Let's see. Oh, this is like a side piece. Or I can do it. Okay, I don't think I can get this one to fit. Oh, I can go like this. No. Okay, no. I think it's too much. Yeah. Alright, so let me grab some more boxes. Let's see, I need like, oh, I need this pattern from this book. Let's see. I have these. You know what, let me use this. Okay, I might have to cut this one down. Looks good. And let's see what other boxes I have in here. I have these like smaller ones. I don't think I'm gonna use those. I'm gonna go back into Heather's book. And I believe it was this color that I used. So I'm just going to layer some of these here. To get some of those dots or the bullet points. Get some of this like reddish color on the spread. I really like this color. It's very pretty. There. Let's do one here. I'll do another one on this side, like that. Cool. And then I still have some floral pieces. Oh, you know what? I really like this little flower. So I can pull this one in. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. All right, so just some finishing touch kind of stickers. Let's see. Let me go into another book. I have this other like neutrally book. I don't think these are the right colors though. I do like this color. I don't think those are gonna work. Okay, now. quotes in here? Oh, she does, but they're black. I feel like these are a little too harsh. Even though I do have this black though. You know, I think it's the font. I'm not like feeling the font on these. So maybe I have essential quotes. No. Okay. Let's see. What can I do? I think the quotes in this book are too big. Where'd it go? Oh, this one. Yeah, the quotes are huge in here. They're very ginormous. I got these. I feel like that's too bright. So that won't work. Okay. Should I put some washi? I don't know if this is gonna be too busy. It might be a little busy, but we'll try it out. You never know. No, it's too busy. Okay, honestly, I think I like it the way it is. I think it looks pretty good. I'm probably just gonna stop here because, like I said, I wanted the florals to be more the focal point, and I think they definitely are. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this spread. That is my spread for Jennie. Jennie, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this plan with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.